The darkFlash DB330M White Case offers an impressive panoramic view with its dual-tempered glass panels, allowing you to showcase your PC's internal components and RGB lighting beautifully. Equipped with a high-speed I/O panel, this case includes USB 3.0 ports and a Type-C interface, ensuring fast data transfer and connectivity options. This case features a vertical airflow cooling design with 3 PWM ARGB fans, optimizing airflow and heat dissipation to maintain your system's performance. Thoughtfully designed, the case includes magnetic dust filters at the top and a panel dust filter, effectively keeping your components clean and free from dust. The user-friendly design of the darkFlash DB330M makes installation and cable management straightforward, simplifying upgrades and maintenance. With a 1-year assurance, darkFlash ensures customer satisfaction and product quality, providing peace of mind for your PC building experience.